What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix air speaker on your iPhone. So follow the steps in this video and you will be able to fix this problem easily in a few steps. So follow the steps, guys. So all you have to do, guys, you want to open your settings and then you want to search for accessibility. As you can see here, accessibility. Now you want to just search for touch. As you can see, this is touch. And then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on call audio routing. As you can see, now make sure you select speaker. Probably you will find it automatic in the top. Make sure you click on speaker. Now see if the problem is resolved or not. If it doesn't work, then follow the steps. I am still going to show you two other methods which will work for everyone. Now, after you tried this, guys, if it doesn't work, that's probably because you have some dirt on your speaker. A lot of people have dirt on their speaker, but they don't notice that. So you just want to take your toothbrush and then start cleaning your ear speaker like this. Yeah, just start cleaning it, and after that, yeah, for like 30 seconds. Start cleaning it and see if you can if the problem is fixed or not. Now if it doesn't work, then here is the last method which will work for everyone if this doesn't work. So let's start. Okay, guys, what you want to do, guys, this is the last method which will work for you, so just follow the steps. Now you want to open your settings and then you want to search for general. As you can see, now after that, guys, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You will see here transfer or reset iPhone. Now you want to click it and click on reset in the top and then click on reset all settings. Don't worry, you are not going to delete any file or any photo or any video or any app on your iPhone. So this is just, it will just make your settings it will just go back to original settings. So if you made any change on your iPhone, it will go back to its original settings that came up with your iPhone when you first bought it. So just click on reset all settings and then you want to enter your passcode and then enter your you want to enter here. And you want to click again or reset all settings here, and that's all you need to do, guys. And you want to wait like a few seconds and then the problem will disappear, and then you can then fix air speaker. If this video helped you, leave a like. See you guys in the next video.